Okay, so we are going to go over how to create an email outreach. So this is basically for us to be able to set up networking emails that are automated to potential candidates. So what you're going to do, we're going to follow the steps in the playbook. So we're going to start with creating the automation itself. So we're going to go to Jobs in Loxo. So click Jobs. And then I'm going to scroll down to one that we've already made to show as an example. So we're going to click on the job itself. And typically you're going to click on the sourced candidate long list, these three little dots here. That's where we want to create these basically like cold call emails. So you will click here and click Stage Automations. Now, since I've already created one, you can see that I already have this networking automation set up. So I'm going to show it really quick here so you can see what it looks like. So click the three dots, Stage Automation, and you'll see here in this Automate Cold Outreach, you click Browse Templates. And then next, you're going to select the networking source contact that has three stages. So you'll see source contact networking campaign includes three stages, and you'll click Use Campaign. I'm not going to click that on this one because I don't need a campaign here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the one I've already created. So let's say you've already created it, but you need to go back and edit it. You follow the same steps, click on the three dots, and then I'm going to click Edit. Now this screen that pops up is going to be the exact same screen that pops up when you create a new one. So this should be the next screen that you have. So following along with the playbook, we're now entering into the editing stages. So we've created the automations. Now we just need to edit them for this job itself. First, you'll notice up at the title, it will already have a title in there for you. We want to make sure that it includes the word networking. This one already does, but if you need to edit the title, you click the gear, and this is where you can edit that title. And we want to make sure it has the church and then networking. That way, when you're looking at the automated email campaigns at a glance, you will know what that automated email is for. All right, and then the next steps are we want to edit each email to make sure they have all the right information. So I'm going to click this little gear here and click edit. So this is showing the email that's going to automatically be sent. Already got a subject. Anything in this email that has the double brackets is going to automatically be filled in by the computer itself. You want to make sure that this says, my name is Ryan Latham. In brand new ones that's set up, there will just be a blank underline there. So you want to make sure his name is filled in here. And you can see these have the double brackets. I don't need to fill those in. But then we've got these links here, and this is so that they can quickly click and find the information that they need. So when looking at this link for full profile, that's talking about the job profile itself. So I would click that link and see how it takes me to the job profile because I've already set it up. Takes them directly to it. But to set that up, you click that and you can either click edit for the link or you can also click create link if there's not already a link there to edit. So either way, so you can click edit or create, and then you're going to copy and paste that link from the church's profile for the job itself. So you would just click and copy and paste here and click save. And it's always easy to double check because if you want to make sure it worked, all you have to do is just click on the blue like we did earlier and it should pop up. Same thing with here where it says you can book a time on my calendar here. We want this to be linked to Ryan's calendar. So you'll see how this is already linked so people can immediately set a meeting with him. Same as before, you would either click edit to put in his calendar link, or you would click create link. Same exact thing, enter his calendar link, click save. And then we want to just make sure that Ryan's name is at the bottom. Once all that's done, go back and read through it, just check and make sure everything looks right, and then click save. And that is exactly what you do for every single one of these stages. So to edit the second one, you click the gear, click edit, scroll through, make sure your links are right. So I'd love to share more details. This is going to be his calendar. That one's done. We click save. And let's look at this third one as well. So nothing we need to fill in here. Job title, job company, that's going to be filled in automatically for us. The let's connect is going to be Ryan's calendar. Let's make sure it's linked. And it is. Let me delete these extra guys. And if we need to edit it, you either click create link if there's not one, or since I already have a link, I could click edit, change it, and save. And this one does not have another link to the job, so we don't need to add anything else. And click save. And that is the basic steps to creating an email outreach.